So we are giving two streets, so for example A and B. We're gonna split it at the same index position. So we are giving two streets A and B of the same length, so the lengths are same. Yeah. So for example, this is A and this is B. So the length of A and B, they are the same, and we can split it at the same index. So for example, at this index, so this is going to be the same index. Yeah. So for example, this is the index I and this is the index J. Yeah. So after split, so this part is called a prefix and this part is called a suffix, and similarly for B, so this is a B prefix and this is a B suffix. Yeah. So we just want to check. So the final result is gonna have B gonna be B prefix plus B suffix, and for A it's gonna be, yeah. So finally we just want to check if A prefix plus B suffix, yeah. So if this part plus this part gonna become a palindrome, or the second part of A plus the first part of B can become a palindrome. Yeah, we just need to check like that. So this is just an example. So it is also allowed to be empty. So for example, X and Y, it is allowed to be empty. So for example, the first part is empty, the second part is X, and similarly for Y, the first part is empty, the second part is Y. Yeah, so this empty is a prefix plus this suffix is going to become a Y, and Y is a palindrome. So this is also possible. Yeah, so we're going to return true if it is possible to form a palindrome tree. Otherwise, we're going to return false. Yeah. So according to the problem, let me make a better drawing. Yeah. So this is A and this is B. Yeah. So there are two strings of A and B. Definitely, if it can become a palindrome, so what's going to happen? Yeah. So if it can become a palindrome, so for the letters from these areas at the prefix of A, yeah. So from here, the first letter of string A must equal to the last letter of string B. Yeah. So for example, this can be character A, and here must be character A. And if this is a character B, and so here must be character B. Yeah. Maybe we're gonna, let me just use more examples. Yeah. Maybe we have A, B, E, F, 4 characters of the prefix of A. And for the suffix of a B, of course, we're gonna have like F, E, B, A. So this is also A, B, E, F. Yeah. So this means this part, the first part, this is the prefix. So equal to the suffix, yeah, equal to the second part. Yeah, so this prefix equal to the suffix, yeah. Now, what about if the next character which is not equal? So for example, next character after this one, and here, yeah, just before this one, before this F, here after this F. So for example, this character is A, and here this character is C. Of course, A not equal to C, yeah. But currently, we are sure that ABEF, this is this ABEF is equal to here ABEF. Yeah, definitely this one, ABEF. Yeah, so all of them are equal. So basically, it means if we cut it here for the prefix, if we cut here for the suffix, and if they combine together, they're going to become palindrome. Yeah, because this is A, B, E, F, and this is F, E, B, A. Yeah, but of course we cannot cut it like that, because according to the problem, we have to cut at the same position, but currently we are not at the same position. If we want to cut at the same position, maybe we're going to check the next character, but this A not equal to C. But what if the characters always equal? So for example, it can pass to the middle of the array. Yeah, if they are equal, this is A, this is also A, it can pass to the middle of the string A and middle of the string B. So this means definitely it is possible. Yeah, because it is longer, it passed to that part. So if we cut at the one half position, yeah, if we cut it at half position, definitely it is possible. But currently what happens is that they are not equal. Yeah, because this character A not equal to this character C. Yeah. Even they are not equal, but we're gonna have a position of I and J. Because if this is equal, this F equal to this F, so we're gonna have a pointer I gonna plus equal to 1. So I gonna update it to here. This is the character A, and J gonna update it to here. So this is the character C. Yeah. But now the strange thing happens is that we just need to check the distance between I and J. So what happens to I and J? Because for the prefix part, this areas we already checked, and the suffix part, FEBA, this areas we also checked. Definitely it is possible. Yeah, they can become a palindrome. So now what happens is that the string between I to J. So this is for string A, and we're gonna put a index J here, and similarly we're gonna put an index I here. Yeah. So if the string from I to J is a palindrome, so what happens? So for example, if I to J is a palindrome, for example, that is AA, it is a palindrome. Yeah. So what happens is we can still combine them together to become a palindrome. Yeah, because this is gonna be the first part. We're gonna combine this AA to the prefix of the string A. Yeah, so this is gonna be the first part, A, B, E, F, A, A. And what about the second part? It's gonna be F, E, B, A. So definitely it is possible because we're gonna choose this AA. So in between, we're gonna have a character AA. So definitely it's gonna become palindrome. But if this is not possible, for example, here is not AA, here may be BA. So we're gonna check this part for the string B. Maybe here we're gonna have a B and B. So we're gonna put B and B here. So definitely this can also become a palindrome. This is another case. Yeah. So because only in this way, we use the all part. It means we can cut at the same position. Yeah. So for example, we cut it at here. So at the left part, this is A, B, E, F, and here we're gonna have the characters like A and A. What left behind is F, E, B, A. Definitely, it can become a palindrome. I'm sorry, this is A, B, E, F. We cut it from here, and similarly for the string B, we cut it here. So because here is B, B, so A, B, E, F with B and B with F, E, B, A. So this can become a palindrome. Yeah. So this is the basic idea. We're gonna check the first string A from the left side. We're gonna prepare an index I, and for the string B, we're gonna prepare an index J, and then we're gonna compare the characters one by one from AI to BJ. If they are equal, we're gonna update the index I. We're gonna update the index I, and similarly, we're gonna update the index J. Yeah. So if they are not equal, so what left behind is just from I to J. So if I to J, so I to, it's gonna be in Python, it's gonna be J plus 1. If I to J plus 1 is a palindrome, or if B I to J plus 1 is a palindrome, so definitely it is a palindrome. Or if this I, normally the I is gonna be less than J, but if I is more than and equal to J, so definitely it means there is already be an overlap. Definitely it can become a palindrome. So let me use another example. Yeah, we have A, B, E, F. Here we have A. Here we have F, E, B, A. Yeah, so we just wanted to check if they can become a palindrome. So this is A, and this is B. Yeah, they are equal, and they are equal, and there's already an overlap. Yeah, for I and C. Definitely it can become a palindrome. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna just write some code to finish this kind of analysis. Yeah. Let's just try to write a palindrome. Yeah, we want to check a string if it is a palindrome, and we want to have an index of I to j because we want to know the distance of the string. So we're gonna return si to j plus 1 gonna equal to si to j plus 1, and we're gonna reverse it. So this is for checking if it is a palindrome. Yeah. Now we're gonna define another function, check. So this is for checking the final result. So I'm gonna give a character a, and I will use the index I will not use. Yeah. So I will put the index I and j gonna equal to 0, and for the j it's gonna be length of the string b minus 1. So inside I want to give a character of a and b. Yeah, I want to put the string a and b inside, not character. I want to put the string a and b inside. So this I is the index of string a, and this j is the index of string b. Actually, finally, I want to return something. It should be I more than equal to j, or is palindrome. I'm gonna call it for a ij, or is palindrome b ij. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to check. Yeah. So here I want to use a while loop while I less than j. Yeah. I'm gonna check the characters one by one. If ai equal to bj, so I gonna plus equal to 1 and j gonna minus equal to 1. Yeah, until it goes out of the while loop, I'm gonna check if I is more than equal to j. Definitely it is possible, but if it is not, I'm gonna check something in between for string a from I to j, and similarly for string b from I to j if it is a palindrome. If it is a palindrome, definitely it is possible. Yeah, so otherwise I'm gonna return false. Now I can return the final check. So I'm gonna check a and b, and similarly because it is a symmetric, I can check b to a. Yeah, because according to the question, so if this is a and this is b, I'm going to check the prefix of a with the suffix of b, or this is b and this is a. I can also check the prefix of b with the suffix of a. Yeah, so there are two cases. That is why I'm gonna check ab or ba. Let me just run it. So this one didn't work because I used as it should be ai and bj. Yeah. Now let me just run it. Yeah, it seems I have an infinite loop. Yeah. So this yeah. So for this while loop, while I less than j, I'm gonna check it. If it goes out of the while loop, I need to have a return. I think I need to return it from here. Yeah, otherwise it's gonna be an infinite loop. So if it is okay, I'm gonna update this I. Yeah, let me think about here. Yeah. Else I need to break, and then I will have a return. This is too much coding. It works, but else break, it's a little bit strange for me. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So this is the basic idea. Yeah, but basically we don't need to write so many code like else break and return. We can return it. No. Yeah, else we can return. Else yeah, we can also write it like this. No. Um, yeah, I think we can. Yeah, it is a little bit more coding. But yeah, but it works. So if they are equal, I'm gonna update it. Otherwise, if they are not equal, so I'm gonna break it. Yeah, so let's just make it like this. Let me check. Maybe we can optimize the code. Yeah, I write too much code, but I think it is okay. Yeah, only if we can write this while loop from here. So while I less than 3 and AI equal to bj, and we're gonna update it. Otherwise, we're gonna break it, and finally we're gonna have a return. Yeah, so in this way, the coding is much more concise and it is much more better. Yeah, we're gonna also write it like that. So we're gonna check it inside the while loop. If they're not equal, definitely we're gonna we're gonna break it, and we're gonna check the final result. I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.